Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make light trails in Photoshop. So let's dive right in. Start by opening your image in Photoshop to which you want to add trails. Click on the selection tool from the left option and select Object Selection Tool. Now choose your subject. Press Ctrl-J to separate the layers. Next, click on Marquee Tool and select Single Column Marquee Tool. Adjust the position where you want to separate a single pixel column. This point will be the starting point of your trial. After adjusting the position, again press Ctrl-J to separate the layer. Choose the previous layer and go to the adjustment layer at the bottom. Select Solid Color from the options and choose a dark color. Now you can clearly see the duplicated single column pixels. Then go to Edit and select Free Transform. Stretch the area where you want the trail to end. Adjust the trail position in whatever shape you want. Here, I'm adjusting it to give a streamlined look. You can also hold Ctrl to add a new point anywhere. Click on the tick button after you are done adjusting. Now, by left-clicking on the layer, choose Convert to Smart Objects. Next, apply the mask from the bottom options. After applying the mask, click on the Eraser tool from the left options. Select the Eraser tool and make sure to adjust its hardness to 0 and opacity to 100. Erase the trail a little to give it a cleaner look. After you are happy with the erasing and adjusting the trail, go to the Overlay menu and change the blending mode to Linear Dodge or Screen. And there you have it. Now you can easily create a light trail in Photoshop. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.